Hi everyone, and welcome to today's discussion. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of handheld gaming, with the recent launch of the GPD Win Mini 2024. This cutting-edge gaming device has been eagerly anticipated by enthusiasts worldwide, and it certainly doesn't disappoint. GPD, the renowned manufacturer of handheld gaming devices, has unveiled its latest iteration of the Win Mini for 2024, promising an even more exhilarating gaming experience. The spotlight of this update shines on the integration of AMD's cutting-edge Ryzen 8000 series, marking a significant leap forward in processing power and efficiency. At the heart of the Win Mini 2024 lies a choice between the Ryzen 7 8840U or the Ryzen 5 8640U processor, both equipped with 8 Zen 4 cores. This configuration promises not only faster speeds, but also enhanced performance across a spectrum of tasks, from gaming to multitasking. The inclusion of AMD's XDNA AI-core technology further augments the device's capabilities, particularly in handling computationally intensive tasks. The display receives a noteworthy upgrade in the 2024 model, now featuring a vibrant 7-inch 1080p LTPS screen. This display not only delivers crisp visuals, but also boasts a refresh rate of 120Hz, ensuring smooth and fluid gameplay. With support for FreeSync Premium and Variable Refresh Rate VRR, gamers can expect an immersive experience devoid of screen tearing or stuttering, all protected by the durability of Gorilla Glass 6. While the enhancements are significant, some features have undergone changes. The omission of the OCO-Link port, present in the previous iteration, marks a notable shift in connectivity options. Instead, the Win Mini 2024 relies on USB 4 connections, promising seamless compatibility with a wide array of peripherals and accessories. In the realm of emulation, the Win Mini 2024 sets a new benchmark by offering improved performance in emulating PlayStation 3 games, targeting a smooth 60 frames per second experience. This advancement is facilitated by the support for AVX512 instructions, harnessing the full potential of the Ryzen 8000 series. GPD's Win Mini 2024 is set to make waves in the gaming community, and eager fans will have the opportunity to be among the first to experience its unparalleled features through an exciting crowdfunding campaign. Pioneering a new era of handheld gaming, this campaign offers enthusiasts a chance to secure their very own Win Mini 2024 at enticing starting prices, beginning at $879 for the base configuration. Overall, the GPD Win Mini 2024 stands as a testament to innovation in the handheld gaming industry. With its formidable processing power, enhanced display, and refined features, it continues to push the boundaries of portable gaming, delivering an unparalleled gaming experience to enthusiasts worldwide. If you still have any lingering questions or if there's anything else you'd like to know, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in and engaging with us. We appreciate your support and enthusiasm. Have a wonderful day ahead, and may blessings be showered upon you. Until next time, take care and stay safe. God bless you.